Hey there folks, Scottsdale Travel Chick's sidekick here again to tell you a little bit about our trip to the GraniteDells and Watson Lake just outside Prescott, Arizona. GraniteDells and Watson Lake are about a 10-minute ride or 4 miles from downtown Prescott and a must-see when visiting the area. The trails themselves are well marked, and at each of the trailheads there's some nice signage to give you an overall view of how to get around. A little bit of history about Watson Lake. It was created in 1915 when a dam was built across Granite Creek. The area features great hiking on well-marked trails, vistas in every direction you look, and you can even rent kayaks and boats to get out in the water and explore. Fun fact, you can boat and fish on the lake, but you're not actually allowed to go swimming. It's a beautiful place to explore and actually one of the top 5 most photographed areas in Arizona. Everywhere you look, there's great scenery and beautiful photo opportunities. Probably the best hike is a loop trail that runs around the entire lake. It's a combination of trails with a distance of about 5 miles. You get a mix of flat trails on the east side, as well as some bouldering, hiking, and some beautiful views. You even get to see the dam itself. You can walk right up and touch it. It's kind of cool as it's leaking in a couple places, and you wonder if it might actually just break open when you're there. There are a couple of also great rail-to-trail hiking on the east side of the lake. If you search Peavine Trail and Iron King Trail, you can get a bit of history on what happened back in the days of the Santa Fe Railroad in this area and the lines that were constructed in 1893. In the 1990s, the rails were removed and a consortium converted the lines into multi-use rail-to-trail paths totaling more than 15 miles. Well, that's our video on Watson Lake and GraniteDells. Hope you enjoyed it and have a chance to visit in the future. It's a really beautiful place and we highly recommend it. Until next time, see you later.